Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to block pop-ups and redirects in Microsoft Edge. So for that, open Microsoft Edge and click on these three dots and go to settings. Here click on cookies and site permissions and scroll down and go to pop-ups and redirects. By default it will be on block. You can allow it or add another website which is constantly showing you pop-ups and redirects to the block list, or if you want a website to allow, you can just add it on the allow section, and that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.